Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to find the best Netflix series on your smart TV. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch your Netflix, just like what you see right here. Now, how do you find series of different nature on Netflix? So what we want to do is to go ahead and navigate to your search icon from the top, click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. So what you want to do right here is to type in some setting code in order to have access to unlimited series on Netflix. So the very first code I want to give right there is Anime Action. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and type in 2 on your keypad, type 2. And then when you type 2, go ahead and add 6. Add 6. Then go ahead and add 5. Go ahead and add 5. Then go ahead and add 3. Then you'll be taken to so many series and episodes right here. So you can easily navigate right here and then start check on anyone you would like to watch right here. So let's, for instance, if you want to watch any of the series right there, you can go ahead and let's say, for instance, I want to watch this new episode, watch right here. So if I click on it, then it's going to take me right here. This is a new anime season 2, and you can see the detail about it. This is a new to watch. Then for you to start watching it, simply click on play and it starts to play just like what you see right here. So there are a lot of anime series that you can actually watch on Netflix. Let's quickly go back to home page. I'm going to give you another code right here. So go back. So getting back to the home page right here, we want to make sure that we cancel the previous code. Then once you cancel previous code, then you can start to type in another code. So another code I want to give right there is 4. Then when you type 4, go ahead and add 5. Then go ahead and add 2. Then you have a lot of different drama series right here. You can swipe right here and start watching anyone from here. Okay, let's say, for instance, I want to check on this particular Gigantosaurus right here. Click on it, and then you have it right here, season 2. Then you can go ahead and click on play from beginning. Click on resume play right here. So when you click on play, then the series will start to play. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to find the best series to watch on Netflix. For more tutorial, best interesting code about Netflix like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.